things that I want you to work on today in class. So let me show you the slideshow, and I'll just go over a few of the slides with you. I want you to submit some evidence of your annotations. You will find that assignment in Canvas. Just do what it tells you to do, but I just want to kind of see how you're annotating so that if we need to change it, fix it, or make it stronger, we can do that as you're reading this book. And then I'm going to have you talk through with a couple of people your cultural lenses. So after you read this video, if you would find a couple of people and let the substitute know that I gave you permission to talk. But I really want you to go through and discuss your cultural lenses. What are some things that were important on your left lens? What are some key experiences or features on your right lens? And then how do your unique lenses impact your culture and the point of view? And I just really want you to think about, how do you see the world because of your background and your experiences? It's a combination of both, right, that actually shapes who we are. So I want you to think about that a little bit, okay? And then I really want you to do this work, and you can do this work independently or you can do this work with other people, but I want you to think about Unoka and how Unoka is presented, that is Okonkwo's father, in chapter 1, and how Okonkwo is presented. And I want you to think about how they value the notions of work and what work means to them. I want you to think about what they feel about war and how war is significant. What are characteristics that you would use to describe each of them? And then how do they feel about the concept of mercy? So it's really important that you understand the way Achebe is presenting masculinity in the book and thinking about these two characters. I'm going to introduce to you the term foil, F-O-I-L. In literature, those are people who are intentionally opposite of one another. So characters that are pitted against each other in order to create tension, and you understand one because you have the opposite to contrast it with. So I want you to think about that, Unoka and Okonkwo, and how they're different. So just work through these ideas, and I promise we'll go over this when I see you guys on Tuesday, okay? And then your homework, I really just need you to read chapters 2 and 3 and annotate. You might expect that at some point you're going to have an introductory reading quiz, so be ready and prepared for that. But the most important thing I want you to do is to get chapters 2 and 3 read. And then you can see here at the bottom, we're going to do a TFA cultural inquiry. We have not started that project. I didn't want you to do that without some direction from me. So I promise that we'll work on that next week and really think about some aspects of culture related to the tribes and understanding how they value certain aspects of culture, okay? If you guys have any questions, you're welcome to email me. I'm going to try to check my email tomorrow, but I look forward to seeing you again on Tuesday, okay? All right, take care, friends.